If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we're gonna be making SANKHA KORA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are half a cup of wheat flour or atta, half a cup of refined flour or maida, 1 cup of grated coconut, half a cup of jaggery or gur, a quarter cup of sugar. Take some cloves and 1 black cardamom and make a powder of it, and we need about a tablespoon of that. A quarter cup of ghee and half a teaspoon of salt. Now first we need to roast the flour. So for that, take a pan and add about 1 tablespoon of ghee, followed by all the flour. And we need to roast this on high flame for roughly about 4 to 5 minutes. Then transfer this into a bowl. Now take a pan and over medium flame add water followed by the sugar and wait till it dissolves. Then to that add the ghee, salt and the powder and mix it up really well. Now before adding the flour, lower the flame to low. Then add all the flour. And keeping it on low flame, continuously you need to stir it to combine them really well. And after some time, you will notice the water content will be reduced, and also because of the ghee, the flour mixture will not stick to the sides of the pan, as you can see. So at this stage, switch off the flame and let it cool completely. And in the meantime, we will make the stuffing. Now take the jaggery along with quarter cup of water in a pan and set the flame on medium and let all the gur dissolve completely. Then after that, add the clove and cardamom powder, a pinch of salt and about 2 tablespoons of ghee and mix it up really well. Then after that, add all the coconut, reduce the flame to low and coat them really well. And let it cook till all the moisture is gone, that is the water content, and the mixture becomes a little dry. Then switch off the flame and let it cool down for roughly about 10 to 15 minutes. Now apply some ghee on both of your palm, then take a small portion of the dough and shape it like a cylinder first. Then flatten it a little with the help of your fingers and leave a small portion at the end so it will look like a leaf. Then in that add the stuffing and close it. Now one thing you need to check is that if cracks are formed at the edges, then you have to knead the dough for roughly about 3-4 minutes. Then repeat the same process. And now it's done. And that's it. One of the Mahaprasad, SANKHA KORA. So do try it at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.